Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, welcome back to another vlog. Today is, well actually, it's Easter Sunday. It is currently the 4th of April. Make Revolution liked your mention of them in your mention of them in your story. Brap brap. So I'm procrastinating, so I thought I would just show you what I've made with my procrastination. So last night I wanted to sort my bedroom out and procrastinated doing something else. I can't remember what it was that I was doing. And then, I went to McDonald's, I got my furries. That makes sense. And then today I need to film with the Joy palette for the Friends collab that I've been doing. Did a video testing, I've been doing a video every single day testing the new Friends stuff that came out with Revolution. And because I know that means I'm going to have to like brush my teeth, sort my hair out, put my contacts in, start filming. I'm procrastinating. It's currently 20 to 3. Awesome. So what I've done instead is tidy my bedroom, which is what I was meant to do last night. And I procrastinated doing something else. This is what I'm like all the time. I don't know if anybody else is the same, but I'll have like a million and one things in my head. I won't know where to start, so either I don't start at all and just leave it all because it's just overwhelming, or I will have one thing in my head that I needed to do and another thing that needs to take priority, and I'll procrastinate by another thing that doesn't need priority. I don't know why. So I'm going to show you what I've done. I've organised all of my videos that I've got coming up. I've organised them all and put them all into order in little piles on my bed. I put little bits of paper on top of some of the parcels, just cover my addresses in case you're wondering what that is. It was just a little like manifestation thing that my mum printed out for me when we were trying to like manifest good health for my nana. God bless my nana. It's actually the funeral on Wednesday for my nana, so yeah, let me show you what I've organised. So this little pile here is a PR haul. I'm not too sure whether to lump this in with a little pile I've got over there. I'll show you and explain why in a second. But this is a Peaches and Cream box that I got sent, W7 box, and then House of Boo. I'm one of the ambassadors, like one of the team for trying out their stuff, so that's a parcel from them. I've got a Colourpop haul, the Asos box that everybody was fighting over. I'm going to do a little haul on that. This one back here is my friend's small business. So this has loads of goodies in that I bought to support her from Basic Beauty. At the front here is the two things that I need to film that are priority over the rest, because this is like this month's glossy box and this month's Look Fantastic box that they sent me. So I'll be filming them and getting them up before everything else. This is a huge Doll Beauty haul. Box is full and the bag's full. Back here is a glossy box PR little haul, but I don't know whether to just lump this in with the other box and just do a full PR haul. I don't know what to do. I would ask you to give me your feedback, but I've probably already put it up, or I've already filmed it by the time that you're seeing this video, so I'll just see what I do. This is my little box, obviously I'm doing at the moment for the Friends stuff, so obviously this is what I'm currently filming with. This is an 80% off Beauty Bay haul. That is coming very, very soon. And then back here is a Cosmetics box that I got that was like reduced to £50 instead of 100. I think it was £55 instead of 110, and it had like £300 worth of stuff in it. So that is going to be a banging haul for you as well. So yeah, that is literally everything that I've got laid out. I'm going to be doing haul week again. You might see this video after that, before that. I'm not too sure. I don't really know what I'm doing at the moment in regards to my upload. I'm just kind of going with the flow. So yeah, this is what I've done instead of filming my video. I think I'm going to get filming now though, because it is currently 20 to 3 and I haven't even started filming yet. I honestly can't even remember the last time I spoke to you, but I just got 2 exciting deliveries, so I thought I'd come on. I've literally just run up the stairs. So my Bperfect Manifest Dream Palette has arrived. Sexy. And this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It actually is gorgeous. And I also picked up, because I had a 30% off code, I feel like it was like save 30, so try it if it's still, oh, this is bougie. I picked up one of these as well. I've always wanted to try her lip kit. It's from Cash Beauty. Oh my god, I'm actually out of breath. It's from Cash Beauty. This is the Rust Nude Secret Treasure lip kit. So you get the matte lipstick and the lip liner as well. So I am so excited to try this. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells really nice. Beautiful. They've actually started doing this on Beauty Bay now as well, so if you wanted to get it on Beauty Bay, then it's on there as well. I'm out of breath. And I've literally come upstairs, opened this parcel, and had another knock on the door because I have just got the famous Asos Beauty Box. I got last month's one, which you'll have seen in haul week, or you will be seeing in haul week anyways. But this one, oh my god. Yes, bitch. This one was £12, same as always, but the things in here, oh my god, for 12 quid, unreal. So it has a 78% saving is what I said online. It says get fresh face for spring, face and body box, and it has all of these goodies inside. So we have a mini of the Varial brand new magnet mascara, a full-size CRT coconut setting powder. I love setting powders, so that's right up my street. We have a deluxe sample of the Charlotte's Magic cream for, I think this is the nighttime version, so it's an instant turnaround moisturiser. Bougie, 7ml. And then we also have a lip gloss, a pumping lip topper from Sleek, full size, and full size we also have one of these Morphe palettes. This is the 9V Vintage Rose palette, which is gorgeous, and this is just what it looks like. I might actually put this into, I think I'm going to put this into a giveaway for one of you. I've got a huge giveaway either coming, depending when I put this video up. Probably you'll have already seen it, I would have thought, but it'll be coming very, very soon if you haven't. For me hitting 11,000 subscribers. We're nearly at 11,100 as I'm filming this, which is just crazy because that's like new enough in the space of a week. We're already at it, which is just off it. I've rearranged a bit of my bedroom today, so I'll show you my new little corner setup. I have boxes and just shit everywhere, so I do apologise for that, but oh, it's me. Do you not know me by now? I'm a hoarder, I'm a scruffy bitch, like that's just who I am. So you have to just accept it or peace out and leave. So this is my new little corner, obviously without this big box there. My new little corner, so I can actually use my long mirror for once. And obviously if I want to get into my jewelry box, I just need to remove that and then open it up, and then I can get into my jewelry box, which to be fair I don't really go into all that often anyway. But obviously I've got my little trolley ready for where I film as well. And I'm gonna put, I've got a little tub on there at the moment with stuff that I've recently used in the video, like for the rest of my face. But I do have here a gorgeous pink tub from Makeup Obsession that I got like for a Christmas gift set. So I'm actually gonna put this over on top of that little white, maybe back over here, on top of here, to put things in and to look cute. This is my brushes that need cleaning. These are like just spare brushes that are clean, but I need to get some better containers for them because they're getting dusty, so I don't really know what to do with them. I could do with like one, these are like the ones that I use on the daily, but I could do with like one of them clear acrylic tubs that has a little open up lid for in here for my brushes, because it's just getting dusty, and obviously that's bacteria then I'm putting on my face, blah blah blah. So yeah, I need to get a little tub or something. I might order that now actually and treat myself, I say, with my 2 orders that I've just came, and I've also got a P. Louise order coming tomorrow as well. But hey ho, I don't even know when I spoke to you last. So yeah, I don't know when I spoke to you last, but yesterday was my nana's funeral, so hopefully that gives a bit of context as to like what day we're on. Yesterday was my nana's funeral, so today's Thursday the 8th. So yeah, just kind of sorting my life out. I really like this corner. It really opens up my room because before it was kind of all crammed in, whereas now it's perfect because I don't really go in that cupboard all that much, but the little layout of this corner covers up all the wires for my YouTube setup, whereas before the wires were just all over and it looked an absolute mess. all the time. It always looked messy, so it was doing my head in. But yeah, that is my new little corner. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully will see you in another vlog very soon. I've been loving vlogging, especially now that I'm kind of working from home and everyone else is at work. I feel like I can vlog more now and just do little snippets and stuff as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in a new video very, very soon. Love you so much. Peace out.